In today's video, we'll talk about an important concept in the stock market that's crucial for beginners: support and resistance. You'll notice that the stock's price goes up and down, but it seems to get stuck within a certain range. This is where support and resistance come into play. Support is like a safety net for a stock's price. It's a price level where the stock tends to stop falling and starts moving up again. You can think of it as a floor that prevents the price from going any lower. On the other hand, resistance is like a price barrier. It's a level where the stock's price tends to stop rising and starts moving down again. You can imagine it as a ceiling that prevents the price from going any higher. Understanding support and resistance can help you make better trading decisions. When a stock's price approaches a support level, it can be an opportunity to buy because you expect the price to bounce back up. It's like getting in at a good price. Conversely, when a stock's price approaches a resistance level, it may be a good time to sell because you anticipate the price to drop. It's like taking profits before the stock encounters selling pressure. Additionally, support and resistance levels can provide insights into the stock's trend. If the stock's price consistently bounces between the same support and resistance levels, it's likely trading in a range. However, if the stock's price breaks through a resistance level, it could indicate an upward trend. Conversely, if the stock's price breaks through a support level, it might suggest a downward trend. Remember, support and resistance levels are not fixed. They can change due to various factors such as news, market sentiment, and economic indicators. Regularly monitoring price movements and adjusting your strategy accordingly is important. We hope this explanation of support and resistance helps you as a beginner in your trading journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational content.